Hello everyone, I'm Mr. P. Satra. Once again I'm coming back to you after a long time for the Python class. So please follow the class properly today. Before going to start my class, this is my request. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification. So let us start our class. I already have uploaded a lot more classes using normal loop, using nested loop, and today I have brought another problem in Python, that is Krishnamurthy number checking. Last day I told you all that is Krishnamurthy number you can do using the nested loop, and this time we will solve nested loop. If you want to, I will show you the nested loop also later on, but before that, in the normal way, that is using the inbuilt function, that is factorial, then we can solve this problem very easily. Okay, so using the nested loop also you should know that how to process this one, how to calculate the factorial. Now let's see, this is Krishnamurthy number. This is the name is coming after a mathematician's name, Indian mathematician name. Okay, so this Krishnamurthy number checking, what is that? A number we will take and we will see the factorial of each digit. We will calculate, then we will make it sum, then original number we will get. Something like this. You see that this n, suppose the two example I am taking. The first example, n equal to 145. So each digit's factorial we will calculate. How? Factorial of 5 equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. What the value? We will get 120. You see that 5 4s are 20, 20 into 3 60, 60 into 2 120. Then next digit is 4. 4's factorial 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. It is 24. Then next digit is 1. 1's factorial is 1. So you see that that is 1. So finally we are getting 145, and the number we are getting the given number was 145. So these two are matching. So it is called a Krishnamurthy number. So this concept I will explain it right now in Python. So let us see that how we will do this. Please check it properly, that Krishnamurthy number checking. The first one, to use this factorial, this function, we have to apply import math. You know that mathematical functions in Python, to use that you have to import that math. Okay, so you see that n, I am taking one number, int input, enter a number. What number you are taking? Suppose the number we are taking n equal to 145. So this 1 equal to 145. So you know that if you extract the digit, the n will be destroyed. That is the reason whenever you are doing with the extraction of digit, you will do a copy of the variable. So this copy of the variable, we are duplicate is 145 we are keeping. So duplicate 145 greater than 0, it is true. If it is true, come here within the loop. How many lines? 1 2 3 lines within the loop. We are using the while loop. I told you I think long time back, that is extraction of digit, better to use the while loop. So you see that duplicate 145 mod 10, what you are getting? 5. S equal to 0 plus math dot factorial. This factorial function will do the calculation of this d equal to what? That d equal to 5, and that d calculation we have done it here. So what the final result we are getting? That final result, that is 120. This 120 we are getting it here. So it is meaning 120. Math dot factorial means we have sent it for this factorial function. Factorial function is giving you back to 120. So 0 plus 120, it is becoming 120. This s is becoming 120. So we have to reduce now 145. 145 reduced, and it is now 14. So we are going back. This we are going back means we are taking only this 14. So 14 greater than 0. Once again it is true. So 14. So this time we are getting 4. 4 means again we are getting this, what the digit? Next digit is 4. So this time we are coming back for this. Now what we are getting again? 24. So this time previous value it was 120 and new value it is 24. So 144. So 14 becoming 1, going back it is 1, again it is true. So this time we are getting 1, factorial of 1, what we are sending? 1 this time. 1 means this one, and we are getting back this 1. So it is 144 plus 1, it is 145. So it is 1, this will become 0. You see that duplicate is destroying this term, it is 0. So this time it is false. False means we are coming out for here. And this time you see that S equal to 145 and N equal to 145. These two are matching. So it's a Krishnamurthy number. If it is not matching, you can understand it's not a Krishnamurthy number. So this thing, the rough work I have done it on the board, I have explained on the board. Now we will go for that checking. In computer, let us see it is working or not. Let us see. Now let us check this one. You see that I already have written the program Krishnamurthy number checking, that import math function, math class, then this n value you are taking, then s equal to 0, then duplicate value and duplicate greater than 0, and this function I have written on the board, and this was also, and this you can check, this is the Krishnamurthy number program. So now if you go for that test run, okay, check, I will give 145, press enter, check, it is Krishnamurthy number. Let us check another example. Suppose another example means this time I am giving not 145, it is 144 I am giving. So it is not a Krishnamurthy number. Enter, not a Krishnamurthy number. I will write another number which is Krishnamurthy number. Void main, check, you can check it in the rough work, that is 40, it was written on the board 40585. Press enter key, check, Krishnamurthy number. So these are the examples. So you can understand these are the examples of Krishnamurthy numbers. So we can solve in this way. You see that I have applied what function? Math.factorial function. If you do not apply math.factorial function, what will happen? You can apply here a loop. Here you have to apply a loop. Then we can process this. Means this function I have applied. So if you apply another loop, another for loop for the factorial calculation, this digits factorial calculation if you apply here using another loop, so that will become a nested loop. But this time we are not using the nested loop, we are using the inbuilt function factorial that is doing that loops work. This function is doing the loops work, and we are getting the value of d factorials, and then that one we are implementing for the sum. So this is the way we can solve the problem. Okay, so up to this much. Again I will upload some other classes related to Python number system, or what is the next topic I'll upload that next day you will get. Okay, up to this much is today. If you are liking my channel, if you are liking my class, please give a like. Okay, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification. Please share my channel's link, or please share it with others. Thank you very much. Bye all of you.